Welcome to a journey that transcends all boundaries, exploring the infinite cosmos where ancient mysteries await us. This is Earth Beyond. As we leave our home planet behind, we begin to realize how truly small we are in this vast, silent expanse. Our nearest neighbor, the Moon, is a desolate world of gray dust and craters, standing watch over us for eons. Compared to the massive asteroids roaming the dark void, our planet seems insignificant, but this is just the very beginning. Jupiter, the king of planets, is a gas giant so massive that it could easily contain 1,300 Earths inside. Saturn displays its majestic rings, a complex system of ice and rock that remains one of the solar system's jewels. Yet all these planets are merely tiny specks orbiting the Sun, a raging inferno that provides life to our world. This star burns with a fury that defies imagination, converting millions of tons of matter into pure energy every second. But our Sun is a dwarf compared to Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, shining with blue intensity. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant so colossal that if placed in our system, it would swallow everything up to Jupiter. Then we meet Scuti, a hypergiant so vast that it takes light hours just to circle its equator once. Beyond individual stars lie nebulae like Orion, stellar nurseries where new suns are born from collapsing clouds of cosmic dust. The pillars of creation stand tall, iconic structures of gas and dust sculpting the next generation of stars in silence. Not all nebulae are for birth. Some, like the cat's eye, mark the beautiful, tragic end of a dying star. Globular clusters like Omega Centauri pack millions of ancient stars into a tight ball, gravity binding them in eternal dance. Our home, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy spanning 100,000 light-years, a city of billions of stars. Our Sun is just one anonymous star among billions, tucked away in a quiet suburb of this galactic spiral structure. Andromeda, our nearest galactic neighbor, is rushing towards us, destined to collide and merge with our galaxy in the future. When galaxies collide, it is a cosmic ballet of gravity that reshapes the heavens over billions of slow years. Zooming out, we see the local group, a cluster of galaxies bound together, drifting through the expanding universe as one. We belong to Laniakea, a supercluster of 100,000 galaxies flowing like a great river across the cosmos. But amidst the light, darkness lurks. Black holes are the most extreme, mysterious, and terrifying objects known to modern physics. Surrounded by a glowing accretion disk, matter is heated to millions of degrees as it spirals into the dark abyss. The edge horizon marks the point of no return, a boundary where gravity is so strong that escape becomes impossible. If you venture too close, tidal forces would stretch your body into a thin strand of atoms, a process called spaghettification. TON 618 is the largest black hole ever found, with a mass equal to 66 billion suns combined. Some black holes power quasars, the brightest objects in the universe, outshining entire galaxies from billions of light-years away. Near these giants, time itself begins to warp and slow down, creating a reality that defies our human intuition. At the heart of our own galaxy lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole holding the Milky Way together. Physics also suggests the existence of wormholes, theoretical tunnels that could create shortcuts across the vast distances of space. Leaving the galaxies, we enter the intergalactic void, a region of absolute cold and darkness stretching for millions of light years. The universe is structured like a web, with filaments of dark matter connecting clusters of galaxies across the observable void. Dark matter is the invisible scaffold of the cosmos, making up most of the universe's mass but remaining completely unseen. Fighting against gravity is dark energy, a mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe towards an unknown destiny. We can see the echo of the beginning in the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light remaining from the Big Bang. 14 billion years ago, everything we see today was compressed into a single point, exploding to create reality itself. As the universe cooled, the first atoms formed, the fog cleared, and light began its long journey through the dark. The first stars ignited, ending the cosmic dark ages and seeding the universe with the heavy elements needed for life. The observable universe is a sphere 93 billion light-years across, representing the absolute limit of what we can see. Beyond this edge lies the unknown, regions of space that are forever disconnected from us due to cosmic expansion. Now let us reverse our journey, traveling back through the vast scales of distance, returning to our local neighborhood. Re-entering the Milky Way, we are reminded that every point of light is a potential sun with its own worlds. At the edge of our solar system drifts Voyager 1, a human-made object carrying our message to the distant stars. From this distant vantage point, Voyager captured an image that changes our perspective on our place in the universe. That tiny pixel is Earth. It is a pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam, a lonely speck of life. On that dot, everyone you love, everyone you know, every human being who ever was, lived out their lives. It contains all our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, all on a mote of dust. Think of the rivers of blood spilled by generals so that they could become momentary masters of a fraction of a dot. Our posturing, our imagined self-importance, the delusion that we have some privileged position in the universe are challenged by this point. Our planet is a lonely speck in the great enveloping cosmic dark. In our obscurity, there is no hint of help. Astronomy is a humbling and character-building experience. It underscores our responsibility to deal more kindly with one another. We must preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we have ever known in this vastness. Our curiosity drives us to look up, to wonder, and to explore the mysteries that lie beyond our atmosphere. With tools like the James Webb Telescope, we are peeling back the layers of time to understand our cosmic origins. Somewhere out there, on a distant world, perhaps another civilization is looking up at their sky and wondering about us. The universe is not just a collection of data, it is a story of evolution, connection, and infinite possibility. We are made of star stuff. The nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth were made in collapsing stars. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself, a consciousness awakening in the middle of a silent universe. The scale of the universe may make us feel small, but our ability to comprehend it makes us truly significant.
We are travelers on a spaceship called Earth, cruising through the galaxy at thousands of miles per hour every day. The future beckons us to become a multi-planetary species, securing the light of consciousness against the darkness of extinction. One day, we may leave our cradle and sail the interstellar ocean, visiting the stars that we now only admire. Until then, we look up with humility and awe, grateful for the chance to exist in this majestic reality. Science gives us the eyes to see the invisible, measuring the immeasurable, and decoding the language of the universe. From the ice of Europa to the methane lakes of Titan, wonders await our discovery right here in our own backyard. Like comets passing in the night, our time here is brief, but our impact can shine brightly across the ages.